Who says you must have an oven or even a gas cooker before you can start a profitable meat pie business? Let me show you how to make Nigerian meat pies with even firewood. Now, you want to add some flour to a bowl, then you want to add in your salted butter. Then I'm going to mix everything well to combine before I go in with my cold water. You don't want to need this, you just want to press this thing, let it come together nicely. Then once it comes together nicely, you want to put this in the fridge and allow that to cool completely. That is chilling in the fridge. You want to add in some oil to a pot, then add some chopped onion, add in your minced meat or your corned beef, then you want to add in some meat stock, then you want to add in some chopped up carrots and Irish potatoes. Mix everything well to combine before you now season. I won't be adding stock cubes or salt to this because my meat stock is well concentrated, so I'll add in some more. Then I'll go in with some curry powder and thyme, as that's the signature for Nigerian meat pie. Then you want to add in your slurry, which is a combination of water and flour or cornstarch. Then you add it in and you can see that the filling is ready. Set this aside as well and allow it to cool down completely. Now you want to bring out your dough from the fridge, you want to roll it out, then you want to cut it to the circular object. Then make an egg wash, which is a combination of water and egg. And for sealing, then you are just going to play with the rolled out dough a bit, then you add in your filling, then you use a fork to press it just like you see on the screen. Then you want to use the egg wash to seal the edges so that it does not burst out open. Line that on a buttered stainless tray or a baking tray. Then for the improvisation part, you want to add in some sand, just a little, into a pot, a spacious pot to be precise. Then you place that on the heat. Then you want to allow that heat up before you go in with your meat pie. Then you want to allow your meat pie bake for at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes, checking on it at regular intervals so it does not burn. Now tell me who said that you must need an oven or even a gas cooker before you can make Nigerian meat pie.